I got that juice. New Way Peach. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing an initial review, and this is some hair that Miss Here Hair Company, or specifically Amy, she sent me. I'm gonna be showing you guys what the hair looks like, and I'm gonna be, you know, describing the texture because, you know, y'all can't feel it. But yeah, let's just get into the video. So the hair came in a thing like this. I'm sure if you're familiar with Aliexpress, you know that most of the hair, or if you ever ordered from Miss Here Hair, you know that the hair comes in this kind of packaging. It's a, you know, like a Ziploc type bag. So I thought that was, you know, pretty convenient, even for other things, you know. So yeah, it came in a packaging like that, and it came with a note from Amy, of course. And it says water wave hair, 3 bundles of 22" with an 18" lace frontal from Miss Here Hair, and it says, you know, from Amy. So let's just skip all the little small talk and get into this hair. So let's start with the frontal. So the frontal comes in a package like this, and it says 13 by 4. Whoa. 13 by 4. I don't know if y'all can see that. I guess FP means frontal piece, and 18 inches. So it's like, haven't touched it. This is just like straight how they sent it to me. Y'all, look at this. Wait. I'm not sure if it was pre-plucked or anything, but she did send me the link, so I have to go and look. But it kind of looks like it's been, like, you know, plucked a little bit. It has some baby hairs, as y'all can see. This is how it looks. Again, this is a water wave. This is the back. It looks so pretty, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I cannot wait to make a wig out of this, y'all. What? Look at that. Okay, so that's the frontal. And so let's get into these bundles, y'all. Okay, so I did open 1 pack of bundles just to, like, I just couldn't wait to feel it. This is how the this is how the bundles come packaged in a little thing like this, and it says 22", which is the size. Okay, and just slide it out. The packaging is so cute. Look what it says, y'all. Miss Here Hair. You'll see that? Yes. Okay, and then it says and then it says it again. And then it gives you some care instructions on the back. So if this is like, if this will be your first time, like getting this type of hair, or first time like trying the hair or whatever, it gives you some, you know, instructions or whatever. So let's get at this hair, y'all. This is water wave again. Just look at it. Like, it smells like, you know, like the typical hair. Like if you ordered hair before, you kind of like know the hair smell. It's not like, it doesn't smell bad or anything. It just smells like normal. Like I'm used to this type of hair smelling like this, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I'm running my fingers through it, and y'all don't see any shedding or anything. I just, oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. No tangles. It's bouncy. Y'all know I'm gonna slay with this hair. Y'all just like, okay. So I got 3 of those bundles. So I'm just gonna open the other ones just to show y'all what I'm working with. This is originally how it came, like with the rubber band, like on it. So I took that off. Okay, and then slide it out. Okay, and then it comes with like a net. Like I took the net off the other one. So let's take it out the net. Okay. Okay, this is the net. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, that's the net. And so then we have the second bundle. Like, look, like, oh my gosh, like, look at the ends. Y'all know I love my ends to be like full, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you like your ends to be like full. So oh my gosh, yes. So that is 2 bundles right here. Okay, and they say the same thing. They're the same. I got all 22, so they're the same length. That looks even to me. Okay, and we have one more bundle. So let's see. Take this off. It's so bouncy, and this is the color that it came like. This is straight out the packaging, I promise. I don't think I'm gonna dye it either, but if I do decide to dye it, or whatever I decide to do with it, I'll let you know in like my 3-week update or whatever, once I actually make it into a unit. You feel me? So there we have it again. So let's put these all together. Boom. It just, oh my gosh, that is, oh my gosh. This is what the wefts look like. If you're, you know, like into that sort of thing, you know, you want to see if they're full. They look full to me. That's how they look. So here it is. This is 3 bundles of Peruvian water wave. So this is Miss Hair Peruvian water wave. So I kind of like putting my frontals on a wig head, because like when I was just holding it up, like it's like really hard to picture it like on a head. So I kind of like want y'all to actually see how it is. Look at that, y'all. Look at the, oh my gosh, I'm about to slay this hair. So that's the baby hairs, and y'all can see it's like, it looks like somebody attempted, like it's like pre-plucked, but you know, I would have to definitely customize it. And yeah, so again, this is Peruvian water wave hair. These are all 22 inches, because that's like, I think 22 inches is not too short, but it's not too long. And so like really with all my hair, I get like 22 inches. And then the frontal is 18 inches. I usually get like 16, but she sent me an 18, so you know, I'm excited. And I just want to thank Amy. Like, this is amazing. Like, I love Miss Hair. That was like actually the first hair from Aliexpress I ever tried, and it was amazing. I have a video on it. I will probably put it in the description box if y'all want to check it out or whatever. And I've never tried water wave hair, so I'm kind of excited. I've tried Brazilian body wave, Peruvian straight, Malaysian straight, Malaysian body wave, but I've never tried like, did I say water wave? I've never tried Peruvian water wave. I've never tried water wave hair in general. Maybe it was like body wave, like, I don't know. I've never tried a loose wave hair. I've tried like a deep curl. Like, it's like the variety and range of hair is so extreme. So if I confuse y'all or whatever, said something, just know that I've only tried like deep curl, body wave, and straight. I never tried water wave, because I was just saying like types of hair and I was just confusing myself. But yes, so again, thank you, Amy, for sending me this hair. It's amazing, and best believe that I'm going to slay it, and I'm gonna make y'all company look good. You feel me? So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Oh, and my hair. Okay, so let me tell y'all the story. So I was gonna wash my hair today anyway, and with this style, it requires my hair to not be straight. So I just, you know, had this little image in my head. Like, I was like, oh, I got these little silver beads or whatever, and I was just like, okay, so I'm gonna try to like incorporate those into a hairstyle, and voila. And if you can like hear my voice, I just got over a cold, so that's kind of like why I wasn't filming, but I'm back. So guys, if you like my hair, you know, just like thumbs up the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.